Okay, welcome to Built Environment. In this unit we're going to be using ArchiCAD 19 to create the chalet. So let's open up ArchiCAD 19. When it opens, the grey box we need to select, and we're going to start a new project. So create a new project and just use the standard ArchiCAD 19 template and create a new project. Go new. Your template should look like this. Just up in the top toolbar here, you see there's a drop down and it's got all grid displays in here. This grid display might not be on. We can turn it on and off. Grid snap, grid display. This one turns the squares off, which is the grid. Okay, we'll leave that on. You'll notice on the work area here are the north, south, east and west elevation views and some sectional markers. We're going to move those out of the way as we create our project. Notice there's a small X just down here on the bottom left. We're going to be starting our block of land on that X and then start drawing from there. Down here is our toolbox. We have all our building commands. I'm just going to minimize those. Yours might look like this. So there's a more, documents, and design toolbox, and we'll go over those later. Across the top are a lot of commands we're going to be using, and down the right hand side here is our story settings, and that's the first thing we're going to work on before we even start. So let's come in here, right click, and we'll go to story settings. You notice these are our stories. Now there's more than we need. We don't need AHD, so we'll select that, delete. We need a ground floor, first floor and a second floor. So the third, we can delete that story. So now we've got three. Should have ground, first and second. And just go OK and delete anyway. And notice over here we've got ground, first floor and second floor. Now notice how second is in bold. That means we're drawing on that floor. We don't want second floor, we want ground floor. So double click on ground floor and now we're drawing on that level. Okay, just over here with the north, south, east and west elevation markers here. How we move those is just go up to the arrow key and select it and hold down in the palette. You'll notice this one, drag. We need to just drag it back out of the way. Click this one, hold, drag up there. This is the south, drag. They all seem to be on drag once it's selected. And we'll move that one back over here. And that gives us, let's move these while we're working on it, just out of the way, and this one. And we'll move him back here. Now we have a clear area to work on, and we'll use these elevation markers later. Now we've got the area clear here, we're going to start creating the mesh.